Well, thank you very much, and welcome to the 2019 Porsche White concert, an evening that we look forward to all year long. My name is Jim Ford. This is the Sacco Concert Band, and behind you up on the stage is the Dalhousie Health Professions Choir. Welcome to you. Now, every year I'm threatened by a couple of people in the audience and a couple of people in the band to play a lot of Christmas music. And we'll do that, eventually. So Marion, don't get upset for a little while. But we're going to start with a piece that was premiered in 1749 in England by George Frederick Handel and his group. Now, this is the music for the Royal Fireworks. I need my notes, because you're not going to believe this. Incidentally, this music was premiered 55 days before the founding of Halifax. This was on April the 27th, 1749, in Green Park in London, and it was specifically for King George II. He had requested this. He had said to Handel, I want a piece for military instruments that can be played outdoors. And a mere 55 days after this was played, Cornwallis sailed into Halifax Harbor, and that's why we're all here today. But the interesting thing is that the king had commissioned the work for military instruments and was performed by a band of music, which is what they called them in those days, consisting of, now listen to this, 16 oboes, 15 bassoons, 20 horns, 40 trumpets, 1 double bassoon, the poor thing, 8 pair of timpani, that's 8 times 2 is 16, 16 timpani, and 12 drums.
Where's the saxophone?
The saxophones were left off the list, so were the tubas and euphoniums, and not even a sackbut or a trombone. Now that's a darn shame. But can you imagine having 16 oboes and 15 bassoons or so, and the intonation must have been just lovely. At any rate, I'd like you to enjoy this music from 1749. Pretend that you're there in Green Park on April the 27th. It's a nice evening. And this is the music for the Royal Fireworks, the overture for the Royal Fireworks.